Hello guys, I am Prashant Jadhav. Today we are watching most important GK quiz and their answers. Here, listen carefully and pay attention. Now I am starting my session. First question: who has been appointed as the chairman of the Airports Authority of India? AAI. Option C, Sanjeev Kumar is the correct option. So this question's answer is Sanjeev Kumar. Next question. Which fintech company has launched a distributor to retailer D2R Finance? This question's answer is B, Bharat Pay. The right option is Bharat Pay. Next question. Who is the author of the new version of Exam Warriors book? This question's answer is option B, Prime Minister of India. Correct option is B. Which country has rejected the proposal for imports of sugar and cotton from India? Option B, Pakistan has rejected the proposal for imports of sugar and cotton from India. So the B option is correct option. Which state has amended its provisions in Legislative Assembly to maintain the decorum of the House? Option B, Haryana. Haryana is the correct option. Next question. What is the name of the scheme that intends to provide working capital facility of 10,000 per year to urban street vendors of the country? So the option C is the correct answer. PM Swanidhi. Option C. As per the Tribunal's Reforms Ordinance promulgated recently, the powers of appellate authorities are vested with which body? Correct option is B, High Courts. Ministry of Chemicals and Fertilizers organized a national dialogue on chemicals manufacturing along with which organization? So the correct option is UNIDO. Option B is the correct option. 9th question. Who has been appointed as the Mission Director of Atal Innovation Mission AIM? So the option B, Chintan Vaishnav, is the correct option. So the option B is correct option. As for the US-based PEW Research Center, how many Indians have been pushed out from the middle class due to COVID-19 pandemic? Option C, 32 million. So we have watched here some GK quiz and their answer. Now I am completing my short lecturing here. Namaskar.
सक्सेस होम ट्यूटर सक्सेस एडुटेक जो कि ऑनलाइन ट्यूटरिंग प्लेटफॉर्म है, जिस प्लेटफॉर्म पर आपको होम ट्यूटरिंग के सिवाय ऑनलाइन टीचिंग की भी सुविधा उपलब्ध हो सकती है। आप कहाँ भी रहे, लेकिन आपका एजुकेशन अच्छी तरीके से यहाँ पर कंप्लीट हो सकता है। तो जल्द ही ज्वाइन करें सक्सेस एडुटेक सक्सेस होम ट्यूटर ऑनलाइन टीचिंग प्लेटफॉर्म को और अपना एजुकेशन बेटर करें और एक अपना जो भविष्य है उसको सुधारे। तो मैं प्रशांत जाधव आपको इस ट्यूटरिंग प्लेटफॉर्म पर ज्वाइन होने के लिए आमंत्रित कर रहा हूँ। नमस्कार।